Bitcoin did exactly like how we predicted, a move around 61,000 before deciding the actual trend duration. Because if you look at this price action right now, the price objective from this rising wedge played out perfectly. The price objective from this ascending broadening wedge played out perfectly along with this dead cat bounce trading pattern. Now, since we have reached all the bearish price objective, has the price found bottom, and we should expect a move like this, some more sideways movement before breaking it to the upside? Or will this result in more sideways movement before breaking it to the downside? Because the price parallelly is also forming a very interesting scenario known as right angle broadening top pattern. So before I start talking about it, I want you guys to do me a favor and quickly destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a friendly reminder to those individuals who have not claimed this 200 USDT position airdrop from Bybit, then please check the video description, because Bybit right now is giving around free 200 USDT position airdrop, either Bitcoin USDT position airdrop or Ethereum USDT position airdrop. All the links are given in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. Feel free to grab this opportunity. Now, if you look at this price action of Bitcoin here in a 4-hour time frame, you can see this rising wedge scenario played out perfectly, because on my previous videos I was shouting on top of my lungs to be careful, because this here is a bearish continuation pattern. Price could show a move around 61,000 before deciding the trend duration. And yesterday, you can see we came exactly at this 60,000 range. So is this, right? Is this a bottom for Bitcoin? And now we should expect a move like this, because price parallelly has not just only reached the price objective from this rising wedge, even the price objective from this ascending broadening wedge and dead cat bounce trading pattern. So what to expect next? Because all the bearish scenarios which we talked for the medium short term has played out perfectly. Now, will this result in an actual relief rally or a continuation? Because we know during uptrend, our indicator, CryptoAnup buy sell indicator, Williams alligator indicator, has always acted as a strong line of support. And if this here is also just a retest, then you can see we should expect price of Bitcoin to move like this after some range bound to start hitting it to the upside. But this time we might see some difference, because MACD has already started to turn bearish, RSI line also below 50 level, and the T3CCI indicator in a negative territory. So this means the price might not be ready for an actual impulsive move like this. So if we want to see price of Bitcoin turning bullish, then we need these indicators, MACD, to slowly show a move like this, start forming a bullish crossover, RSI line to jump over 50, and T3CCI from this negative territory to enter in positive territory. So if we see that happening in these indicators, then we know we are ready for this actual impulsive move. Otherwise, it could be resulting in few more shakeouts. I mean, we are aware price finding support around 60,000 could still result in this parabolic move, because according to the step-like formation, you can see here, guys, we have already formed base 1, base 2, base 3, and this here could be a formation of base 4. And I showed you in this base 4, there will be more sideways movement before heading towards this sell point. So as long as the price remains over 60,000, we are still going to look this as a bullish continuation pattern. I mean, a parabolic curve pattern, step-like formation with price objective around 91,000. But we know, guys, since we are failing to find support above this monthly R1 line, maybe it might go a little bit lower. I mean, price might not just only retest the support around 61,000, but also the support from this up monthly CPI line, which sits around 58,000. Because if we fail to do that, I mean, if the price fails to find proper support above the 60,000, then we know not just only the top, but even the central and the bottom CPI line could be retested, which sits around 52,000 range. Yes, guys, this bottom CPI could also be on the line if we fail to find proper support above 60,000 in the medium short term, because failing to find support above 60,000 will result in a bearish continuation pattern known as right angle broadening top pattern. So if we look here on the right hand side, price of Bitcoin is showing a very similar move. We are finding support at this rising trend line, and additional to that, we are also finding support around this lower trend line from this right angle broadening top pattern. Right, lower trend line is acting as support, upper trend line is acting as resistance. So in the immediate short term, if the price of Bitcoin remains above 61,000, let's not worry that much, because losing that is definitely a sign of weakness. I mean, in that case, the price objective from this right angle broadening wedge top pattern could be looked as our next price objective, which sits around 51,000. Yes, you heard that correctly, guys. Even this 51,000 could be retested before looking for another long opportunity like this. So I want you guys to be extremely careful and watch the support which you have around 61,000, because losing that means you can see this lower trend line or the price objective from this right angle broadening top pattern could be on the line which is around 51,000. So that's why we want the price of Bitcoin at any cost to remain above this rising trend line and also above this lower trend line. So these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please guys, do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder to those individuals who have not claimed this 200 USDT position airdrop from Bybit, then please check the video description, because this is a free money available for our community members. So please check the video description and try grabbing this opportunity. By saying this, I'm signing out. Until next time, bye bye.